Welcome back to the garden. Today is an update on what I've done so far. I've started planting, and today I would like to do some composting and probably just add a bit of topsoil. I will give you a tour of the different boxes and what I've planted so far. I have not done too much because, funny thing, the weather changed on me. It started to get a bit hot and humid, so I don't want to stress the plant out because I prefer my plants, be watered with rainwater. So we're not getting much of that. In the Caribbean now, it's considered dry season, which is very hot, sunny, and humid. I need to get my irrigation up and running because I'm not about that life having to water my plant in the evening and so on. So I have to call the guy after attending to the garden today to get him to come out and sort it out for me. Let's tour the garden. Okay, so we're gonna start on this side. This is some eggplant. I need to add more soil in there, and today I'm gonna put some soil and compost and do some more beans in there. On Sunday, I planted those green onions and they're holding up pretty good so far. It's not looking bad at all. This is my cilantro. I picked a few pieces out to make seasoning, and so it's looking good. In this bed I have lettuces, I have one eggplant, there's some Chinese cabbages and some beets. My mango tree is flowering, look at that. So hopefully this year we'll get some mangoes. I have some eggplant here and it seems like it's a bit stressed. And some dill. I used some from that already. This bed I have beans. I plant it in the end here so I can trellis it when it starts to spread. I have broccoli in this bed and Chinese cabbages and just about 3 pepper. This one, I have some celery. I picked a few pieces from this one on Sunday, so it's struggling a bit. I have some basil here, some cucumbers. I put it here so I can trellis it. Some pak choy and cabbage or broccoli, one of them. I think it's cabbages. Here I plant some garlic. Seems to be doing pretty good. And some Chinese cabbages and pak choy again and cabbage. I have a peanut coming back here because this is a peanut box. So the peanut just kind of start growing again. Today I'm going to add some topsoil to this bed. Do some weeding. I definitely need to do some weeding because the weeds come quickly. So it's starting to rain, which is good. So I'm not complaining at all. So that's it for, just a mini tour of the garden, what I've done so far. And my plans for this year is to have a variety of different crops. I'm not doing too much because the weather is still a bit hot. So I'm just trying out these plants now in the dry season, but later on I will do more and I will get a few more pots in and probably do a few more raised beds. I did some potatoes. I can't remember exactly where I did the potato. I have not seen anything coming up as yet, but I did some. I think it was Idaho potatoes I tried. So let's see how that turned out. So yes, this is a mini tour. It would not be a long video because there's not much to update. But so what I'm doing, I am mixing the soil, the topsoil in this bucket, and then I will actually mix the compost together and add it to the different beds. And another thing that I need to weed before I do that, I weed. So this is a compost. It's a compost that is naturally produced here in Grenada. So it's raining, which is indeed a blessing because I need it for the garden. So this is what I do. I kind of mix everything in. It's kind of hard to mix like that. But first, I'm going to do some weeding before I actually, add the soil to the bed. It is so much weeding. Need something to put the weeds in. I try not to leave the weed around the garden because to me I think it's best to just put them in a bag and toss them in the garbage so they can go out when the garbage is going out. That's just my so I am doing the weeding and the soil is really nice and soft now because in this bed I actually have the lint from the dryer. When I take out the lint, I just throw it in the bed. I need to repair some of those beds because this bed had been around for like 2 years now. So normally I start my plants from the seed, but because I just wanted to get some stuff into the ground, I did not. I just bought those from the nursery, but I usually start all my plants from the seed myself. Because sometimes when you buy plants from the nursery, I believe it sometimes whatever they put in it, I don't think it's safe or natural. And when I start my plants from the seed, to me it's I know I weed pretty fast. So no time. I weed. And there's still enough space to put some stuff in here. Maybe I should. So bed 2 already weeded. This one is not too bad. see a peanut is coming back there. And I'm leaving it because as long as it doesn't mess with my dill, it doesn't bother me because it's going on the boot. I had to work in the rain, so the boxes are all molded, weed, and I added compost. I did not do the entire box because the avocado tree is kind of overshadowing that in there, so not much sunlight. So I didn't do much, but I added compost to the box and weeded up very nicely. And yeah, so I added some topsoil where it's needed. Oops. And additional pots, I added soil. So I'm going to do some seeds in there today. I'm going to do some beans in this because this is really my bean pot thing. So I'm going to do some beans there, and I'm not sure what I'm going to add in these two pots yet. Maybe some cucumbers and put it in a position where it climbs right there. So friends, this is what I'm looking like now after weeding and so on. So I hope you all enjoy this video. There will be many more updates. This is just the beginning of the season, and I promise to keep you updated on what's happening in the garden. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe at the end of this video.